So in the previous step, we've talked about the criticality ranking of your assets. Now that you know what are your most critical pieces of equipment, you must build your maintenance strategy based on that criticality ranking. We need to do the right task at the right time, by the right person, the right way. What we like to do is to go at the failure mode level when doing that exercise. What does it mean? It means that we must list for all of our components what are the symptoms of upcoming failures. Take a motor, for example. It may overheat, or it may vibrate, or it may make strange noises. These are the symptoms of something's happening with a motor. And now you're going to address those failure modes with specific tasks at a specific frequency. For example, for the leaking failure mode, you might decide to do a visual inspection every week or every 2 weeks or every day made by an operator. An operator will check the oil level on that piece of equipment, and so on and so forth. So this is the best way to build a strong maintenance strategy and really focus your efforts on what's important.